Hey y'all, the Burning Man here. Welcome, it's January 2020. Happy New Year. I want to take you through a quick rundown of my shop. You know, it's a mess, so bear with me. But it's had my first pick today. I'm excited. I want to get some video out there, but like I said, my shop is a mess. If you're understand, I got about, I don't know, who knows, countless projects going on. My wife loves it. But here we go. Let me show you a quick little synopsis of what I got going on here. If I can figure out how to turn my camera back, it won't let me. I'll loop it. All right, here we go. Never mind. All right, here we go. I said it would be quick, so I'm not gonna really touch on much. Just got a bunch of projects going on. So, as you can see, it just doesn't end. Got paint on that. Anywho, stumps on stumps. Got my smoker here. Boards and boards and projects and projects. This is all a complete mess. This is not going to look anything like this at all when I have my ideal setup. This time next year, I'm gonna put it out there. But staying busy. Same thing, reclaim wood from scratch. Boom. Happy New Year. Got projects galore, as you can see. And that doesn't end there, but thanks for tuning in. Love y'all. I'm gonna have great videos to come. It's only getting started. It's my first video. Peace.